right now India is bursting at seams in terms of number of e-retail startups and ye-bee and wo-bee coming. So what's your take in this discussion on the business practices or the practices which you didn't learn practices from the West, because this is a fairly relatively newer to them as well, right? So there were no multinationals to teach the ready rules or the standard set of things to be done. Here is probably a level playing field in online retail where whatever you do, it's yours. If it is a cash on delivery here, cash on delivery here, that's it. So what's your take on this topic as well?
Okay, so I'll just introduce myself and the kind of work we do. The topics that we've had so far since morning, very interesting sessions, all about how products are designed. They're all tangible products. We can go to a superstore, hold a washing machine, operate it, see how it works. The field that I come from is only a field which is 768 pixel by 1024 pixel. In that little space, we've got to tell you this product is the best, buy it, give your credit card number here, and it'll get delivered to your house. So there are a lot of complex, dynamic emotions that we deal with. We deal with trust, we deal with service, quality. I don't know the product, how can I buy it? I've never heard of this, etc., etc., etc. So the kind of emotional things that we deal with are at a very, very different level. Coming to the change that we've seen in the industries from when I started practicing this to now, we no more called a website designer. I used to hate it when they used to call up and say, we need a website designer, can you come over? And so I would ask them, what stage is the project at? You know, it's done, we just want you to give us the color scheme. So now it's very, very different. They call us and they say, you know, we don't want colors, we want ideas. We want thoughts. We want you to tell us how can we sell better, how can registration drop-downs get better. So I almost feel like a doctor now, or the entire team is trained to be a doctor who diagnoses the problem and then provides a solution for what can be done. So that's been a huge difference in what we've seen. And we wear multiple hats. We wear a hat of a marketing person who tells the client how to communicate in the online space, to a salesperson who says that, you know, homepage is a sales pitch, you just need to do it well, to a technology person who goes back to the tech team and says, you know, this is how you need to implement it, because if the interaction is not proper, the user will get confused. And the Indian market is very different. यहाँ पर जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. And that little space that I was talking of, you've got to show everything. And clutter is not clutter, etc., etc. So, yes, there's been a change, but talking of, you know, do we take things from the West? There are still clients who look at the West and say, can you just copy Amazon.com? Not realizing that we don't shop like that. We are not a disposable society. We like to keep stuff forever for our children and grandchildren. We want to give it to our sisters. So we cannot imitate shopping styles of West to the Indian market because we are very different. Having said that, I kind of a little disagree with Amit that the Western counterparts will come and take us. I think we've got our own space. It'll be very difficult for them to get into it and understand how we shop, how we live, how we register, how we find jobs, how we find our spouses. So when I talk to the West and say we've got Jeevansathi.com, they say dating site. I said no, matrimonial site. And there's a huge difference. Why the difference is because when we do the research in North India, parents say we will only find a spouse whose picture is, I mean, I'll only express interest in a boy or a girl whose picture is there online. When we go into the South and do the same research, the parents say we will only express interest in the profile online whose nakshatra is there. So we are so different. How can anybody who's designing a dating site come here and start designing a matrimonial site? Because the needs that we have are so different. So I kind of disagree with that, but we are open to debating that point though. But yeah, we wear multiple hats when we are doing this stuff.
So the number game is much more clearer in case of online because all you need to count is clicks, right?
Not really. But yes, one of the things that I tell the clients that measure it, measure design. Design is not what you and I like, it's what your consumers like, and it's very easy to measure it in the online space. So we are always dealing with reams of data in the analytics, trying to make sense of where people are dropping out, which error message is showing up very often. So yes, we're dealing with numbers. So we like doing a lot of financial analytics there, getting better numbers through design. So design definitely drives business in the online space.
All right. So with a little warm-up discussion on the practices, maybe